Welcome guys to my channel once again. It's your host OTC right here. So in today's video we'll be discussing about GBP JPY for the upcoming trading week, that is from 12 to 16 July. So let's begin. So guys, as you can see, we are in GBP JPY and 1 hour time frame. So let us mark this zone 20 and anticipate price next movements in the future. So it will be a supply and demand zone for the weekend. As you can see, price is currently near a supply zone. So previously, what do we see? A big push to the downside. Alright, so in this situation I'll be telling that if you're trading weekly, then you should be short around this zone of near 152. Alright, so moving forward to a daily time frame, what we see is much clear. The picture, as you can see, market is breaking structures upon structures, and when it broke this structure, then it came just to test this zone. If we draw our Fibonacci, as you can see, it rejected its 78% level. Let me zoom. Alright, as you can see, and then after failing to break above this level, then price suddenly dropped. Alright, so now moving to a 4-hour time frame. Alright, now seems interesting. What do we see here is now market testing its levels, its previous levels. So let me just mark this zone, it's our test zone. As you can see, what did the market do? Market just pushed above, and then it's now at the top near this level. What do we see? A big push, but volumes decreasing. What I anticipate that price will be moving to the downside. If you are a swing trader, so I suggest you just wait for some certain candle patterns to form. Alright, I need to see a big sweet pin bar around this zone in order for if I will short this market. So in case you just shorting, then you must target up for 150 levels. That will give you like 257 pips, and stop loss will be around 115, 120. Alright, so now moving to a 1 hour time frame. Alright, now markets near this zone, that will be a supply zone. I will suggest that you guys have to wait, because I have seen in this situation that there forms a big institutional spring or fake out. After that, when you will get a clear confirmation around this level, I think you will be going for a short around this level. Alright, if you see a good candle and your target would be like 1:2 or 1:3 level, risk to reward. Alright, I need to see this failing, alright, in order to get this position, to enter my position. So if you are a real day trader, then what we see, alright, we can see now you can guys short round this level for this target. Alright, so moving to a 15-minute time frame. I think a market will be short right here. Just need to confirm that this level is a fail level. After that, I mean this level is a strong level. Then after that, see certain movements to clarify power market's downtrend. Alright, as you can see, market when it came to this level, then big push to the upside, and then now it's testing this zone. Alright, you can say it's double top forming, and the market will be going to the downside. Alright, so this time if you see a 1 hour time frame, now what is my bias for GBP JPY for upcoming week, that is tomorrow? So guys, I'll be short in GJ for now. Alright, I'm short on GJ. And so guys, if you like today's video and analysis, and hope you guys